Noble Company videos are not a substitution for reading and understanding the installation instructions. AquaBlue is a plumbing code listed, ready-to-use liquid waterproofing membrane, appropriate for interior tile and stone installations. AquaBlue is not intended for standing water applications. Select the appropriate wall and floor substrate suitable for wet areas. All surfaces must be dry, cured, clean, and free of bond-breaking contaminants. Consult backerboard manufacturer for specific installation recommendations. The base used in this video is Noble Company's Pro Base 2 Multi-Slope. All cracks, construction joints, and backerboard joints must be treated prior to installing AquaBlue. Cracks or joints less than 1/32 of an inch need no additional preparation. Cracks or joints between 1/32 of an inch and 1/8 of an inch should be filled with Noble Sealant 250 or AquaSeal flashing mesh prior to installing the first coat of AquaBlue. Be sure that the Noble Sealant 250 is smoothly tooled in. Cracks or joints greater than 1/8 of an inch must be filled with a suitable filler material prior to installing the first coat of AquaBlue. Using a paintbrush, apply AquaBlue to all cracks, joints, and changes of plane to be waterproofed. Ensure gaps are free of voids or bubbles in the AquaBlue. AquaSeal flashing should be used at all horizontal to vertical changes of plane and at curb to wall transitions. Measure and cut mesh to fit the walls. Fold the mesh in half prior to positioning at the change of plane. The AquaSeal drain flashing is used to create a mechanical connection at the freestyle thin bed drain's clamping ring. Trace the outline of the drain flashing onto the base. Noble Sealant 250 is used to bond the drain flashing to the base. Starting on the outside of the bolt anchors, draw increasingly larger circles around the circumference of the drain base until you reach the outline. Align the clamping collar holes with those on the drain base and install screws to secure collar in place. Do not over-tighten. Using a screwdriver or a low-torque cordless drill is recommended. Using the flat edge of a trowel, embed the drain flashing into the Noble Sealant on the drain base and floor substrate. The translucent material of the drain flashing allows for easy verification of 100% coverage by the Noble Sealant. Cut away any membrane from the inside of the clamping ring collar. For porous substrates, the first coat of AquaBlue should be diluted 10% with water. When using a diluted first coat, a non-diluted second coat of AquaBlue may be applied after 30 minutes. Apply AquaBlue directly to the substrate with a trowel, paint roller, or brush. When applying AquaBlue, wait 4 hours to apply subsequent coats. Cured AquaBlue should be dry to the touch. The wet film thickness of each coat should be between 20 and 30 mils each. To increase thickness, apply additional layers of AquaBlue after the previous coat has cured. The entire wet area should be flood tested prior to tile installation. For a curbless installation, a temporary dam may be needed to perform a flood test. Your AquaBlue installation is now complete. Noble Company has niches and benches available to help personalize your shower design. Noble Company. Simple solutions, proven performance.